It's like 5 a.m. Just made a fire, made some coffee, and I'm just gonna let the sun come up a little bit more. The tide is down, which is cool. I can see some tide pools. It's gonna be fun. So let's enjoy this coffee, and I'll see you in a minute out there. It's fishing for some surf perch. Yeah, doesn't get much more beautiful than that. All right. I think right here, man. Right next to this rock. Could get snagged, but I'm gonna put it right in front of that and just see what's there. Just because there's like, I don't know, everything's coming together right in front of that rock. These fish. Seals swimming around. Oh, we are in a first cast situation, guys. We're in a first cast situation. Oh, what is it? Get out of there. It's in seaweed. I can feel it. Come on, buddy. See what we got. Looks like a little guy. Yeah. Little perch. Look at that. We got one. First cast, dudes. Sweet. How about that? Where'd I hook you, man? Oh, you got it? Alright. We'll get that out. No worries. We'll get that out. Oh. There he goes. Let's put these pliers away. Look at that guy. Thanks for playing, bro. Peace! He is a little too tiny to keep. Just a little too tiny. Alright. And ain't nothing new to the surf fishing community, but that's just a little gulp sandworm. The camo one, you know, like kind of brown and green on either side. And I'm using a 2-ounce egg sinker, just Carolina rig. There we go. We got one. There we go. Come on in, buddy. Where are you? I know you got on there. Oh yeah, there he is. There he is. Oh boy. Salad and a little guy. Salad and a teeny weeny little buddy. Alright. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay. Gotcha. Alright. Another pretty little perch. Hey, look, this way. Oh god, he's down. He's down. He's down. Bye. Alright, so far, 2 little dudes. Nothing special, just little guys, but honestly, like, super fun. I'm having a lot of fun. Just like walking the beach, casting. There's a lot of like vegetation under there, like, so lots of salad, lots of seaweed. So finding the holes where there isn't too much of that is kind of the trick. Otherwise it's just kind of frustrating. You're just picking seaweed off of your line the whole time. So I'm gonna go back over where I caught those two little guys and see if there's still a school kind of cruising around there. Let's go. Let's see if we can get one just like a couple feet offshore, right there. Like right there, guys. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. You fight it. Got him. Well, that didn't take very long, did it? Woohoo! Yee-hoo! We got him, dudes. Chill out, I'm gonna put you back. There. Let's get that sand out of your eyeballs, huh? Alright. Ready? Full send. There we go. Right here in the surf. Got one. Got one. Really close. Woo! Elusive, little buddy. Elusive. Got you, dude. Got you, buddy. You pretty. Get out. Little piranha. All right, dude. Cool. He was trying to evade me. Alright, you're ready. See ya. Ah, he's between my feet, but there you go. Alright, that's all I got in me for right now. There's just cabbage soup out there. If I could only begin to explain the amount of seaweed I pulled off my line today. Painful. Anyway, I'm just kidding. I got 2 out of that. It was super fun. I'm going to take a break and come back out later when the tide is down, and I will see you then. I'm out here camping at Carpinteria, as you know, because you see me surf perching. That's a new thing, surf perching. I've been surf perching. So I'm out here at Carpinteria just trying to see what I can catch in the middle of the night. It's like midnight. It's like midnight. It's midnight. So I'm going to just row. It seems pretty rough. It seems pretty rough, to be honest, right now, but I'm just gonna chuck it out there. I got some cut squid. I'm gonna throw a little double dropper looper action, like a 5-ounce weight. Just huck it as far as I can and just see what bites. I mean, we'll see. Stay tuned. We've got bait. It's so late, but I've got bait. A bag inside a bag inside a bag. I'm gonna use some squid, dude. Why not? Yeah. Let's see what we can get out of this. Oh, it's frozen too. Sweet. Alright. Nice. There. Look at that. That's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay. Sweet. Let's give this a hunt, shall we? Alright, it's out there. We're bent, you guys. We're bent, bro. Not sure what we caught, but we caught something. Got some. Let's go see what it is. Oh, look at that! It's a skate. It's a skate! Look at that thing. Right on. All right, bro. I got you. Don't worry. Okay. We're gonna flip you over, buddy. There you go. Don't trip. Don't trip. There you go. We're gonna flip. Hey, okay. Okay. All right. You just chill out. You chill out. You just chill out. Right there. No. Give me that back. Give me that back, buddy. Okay. Got you, bro. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Yeah. Look at that thing. Sick, dude. How about that? All right, let's go. All right, bro. Pasta. Look at that. Peace. Woo. Later. There it is. Got him. Got him. Oh, it's a better one. Whatever it is. Oh yeah, it's running. It's running. We're gonna button it down a little bit. We got 30-pound test. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. What is it? What is it? Okay, see you guys. Oh yeah. We got a little shark. All right. Okay. Get him. Let's get him. Chill out, little buddy. I'm just gonna, don't worry. I'm over here, look, I'm over here. You don't know where I'm at. Okay. I got you. You good? Heck of a hook, dude. How is that still in your mouth, buddy? Got it. Got it. Oh, you're dope. Oh my God, you're so cool. Look at that little buddy. So sick. We're gonna send you back, my friend. To the depths. Back to the depths. Later, bro. Ha ha. That was cool. Definitely got something. Oh, it's a leopard shark. Cool, man. What's up, buddy? Alright. Alright, we're just gonna get you right here. Don't worry. Gotcha. Alright, buddy. Sick, yeah. Alright, yeah. I got you. Don't worry. I got you. There we go. Yeah, bye. Rah. Hey, just chill out. You're good. You're good. Cool, man. All right, let's send him back. Whoa. I always see my pliers right there. I don't know why. All right. Don't worry. I got you. Here comes the water. And send him. Later, bro. Alright, well, a little after midnight fun on the beach at Carpinteria. That was like 2 sharks. I had a couple other bites, but lost them. And then a skate, you know, a little shovel nose, which was super fun. And honestly, I feel like I could probably sit out here and keep just catching them. I was using just cut squid on a double dropper loop, you know, with like a 4-ounce weight. It is a little rough out there right now, so my bait was just like drifting along, but I was getting bit, so I was just playing. Super fun, and I'm going to bed. Sweet. All right, it is my last day here at Carpinteria State Beach. Spent the night, 2 nights, did some fishing. First day, crashed out, no night fishing, and then yesterday I did some night fishing, which was super cool. And honestly, I feel like I could have done a lot more, but I was tired and it was late and I wanted to be able to fish today. So here I am. Let's get the line wet. Last day, let's go. Got one. Little buddy, pretty little guy, look at that. He little, we throw him back. Whoa, this is the flight of the birds, bro, look at this. This is cool, wow. This is so epic. Oh, I just got hit. Got him. Got him, dude. Oh, wait, did I get him? Oh, he let go. Dang it. Oh, there he is. He came back. Yes. Woo, come on. Let's go, buddy. Where are you? Ah, he's a little guy. I was just like loving the scenery. Get you, little perfect little lipper jobber. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. Let's show you the camera over here just real quick. Don't worry. It's just a moment to shine. It's just a moment to shine. Look at that guy. He's cool. Not a keeper, but pretty little guy. Let's get him back. I'm having a blast right here. I am having a blast. Woo. All right. See you, buddy. Late. Oh, I got nailed, bro. Where's he at? We got him, guys. We got him. Got one.
Is that Perch?
Yeah, that's almost a keeper right there.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that little bad boy. All right, that's a keeper. How about that? Let's get him bled out and all that good stuff. Well, I'm out here at Carpinteria, sunset, cooking up my catch, and this does not suck. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. I'm gonna grub on this perch right now. Look at this. It's in butter. It looks so good. It looks so good. Yes.